Good morning, fourth graders. This is about the fifth time I've recorded this video. I am learning lots of things today. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, September 18th. Um, if you have not yet completed your Kickstand Bootcamp course, please make sure you get that done today. You log into Kickstand, you'll click on the Bootcamp icon, and then down at the very bottom, there is a white rectangular box. It's a drop down box. The first one says getting started. We finished the getting started one in class, and many people finished all of it in class, but on the Monday, Tuesday group, we didn't quite finish it all. So if you click in that white drop down box, it'll have two more units that you need to complete. One is lessons, and then I'm not entirely sure what the third one is. Also, starting Monday, everybody gets to be at school. Don't forget your masks. Um, Everybody should still be wearing masks. So the yellow group, you will come to school on Monday as well. Everybody gets to be at school on Monday. I'm so excited. Also, don't forget to bring your computers. If at all possible, please make sure that they are charging over the weekend because we will need them next week to do assessments. We have a couple more math assessments that we're going to get started with next week. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. See ya!